My name is Chris Candelaria. I live in Southern California. I live with my wife Christine and our 2 small dogs. And I'm passionate about McLaren and racing. Well, just like Bruce McLaren, who was a very ill child and whose doctors basically felt that he would be disabled for life, I too had a very similar health struggle. I was born very ill, and I had multiple surgeries before the age of 12. I remember being sick for weeks, sometimes months, and watching McLaren's race was really something that helped me through those hard times. The doctors too felt that I would be disabled and that I wouldn't accomplish much with my life. And I've spent my life trying to prove my doctors wrong, just like Bruce did. What really draws me to McLaren is that they have this never give up attitude. Despite adversity and challenges, they have accomplished amazing things. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with cancer, with about a 50% chance of living past 5 years. It really brought me back to that hopelessness that I felt as a child. I was absolutely devastated. But I remember something that Bruce McLaren said. He stated that life is not measured in years alone, but in achievements. So I'm choosing to fight for what I want to achieve and never give up. As someone that was stuck inside a lot during that time, what McLaren gave me was a gift that I'm deeply appreciative for. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. One of the greatest things that anybody's ever done for me. I'm so beyond, I can't even tell you that there's no words for how I feel right now. I feel so blessed, so grateful. This means the world to me. Thank you, McLaren, for all those smiles and great memories.